Tonight, we begin in the heart of Seoul, from Gyeongbokgung to Gwanghwamun. Let's take a slow night walk together. This is Gwanghwamun at night. A place where history, traffic, light, and everyday life all meet. Even late in the evening, the streets are calm but never empty. Seoul moves quietly, but it never really stops. The city is still wide awake. Bright screens, moving lights, and passing cars make this part of Seoul feel modern and alive. At the bus stop, the night keeps flowing. People get off, head home, or continue their evening in their own quiet rhythm. The lights change, buses pass, and people cross the road. Simple moments like these make a city walk feel real. From here, you can feel two sides of Seoul at once, royal history behind you, and the modern city all around you. If it is your first time seeing Seoul at night, Gwanghwamun is one of the best places to begin. Here, Seoul's culture and history stand side by side. Sejong Center and the statue of King Sejong remind us how deeply the past still lives in this city.
될 수 있다는 게 얼마나 감사한지. 그때 계엄 이후로 계엄 때 끌려가서 대표님 그런 쪽인가요? 네. 그때 한번 또 위기.
This is Gwanghwamun at night. A place where history, traffic, light, and everyday life all meet.
생사를 어떻게 이렇게까지 소통이 안 될 수 있을까 싶은 겁니다. 참고로 제가 이 보도자료 13번째를 읽기 전에 제가 서울시에서 좀 자세히 설명을 못 드렸는데요. 여러분, 드디어 저희 아이 다니는 초등학교에서 우리들의
There is no need to hurry here. Sometimes, the best way to feel a city is simply to walk through it slowly. The wide roads, the open square, and the glow of the buildings create a night view that feels both grand and peaceful. This is a side of Korea that feels quiet, elegant, and modern, all at the same time. Thank you for walking with me tonight. If you enjoyed this view of Seoul, please like, subscribe, and join me for the next walk.